Hey guys, it's Bryce here with Bazinga Lawn Care, coming back at you with another video. Today we'll be replacing some trailer wiring. My 8-month-old lab, 10-month-old lab decided to eat it. Not so great, but we'll get it done. Pretty easy. I think this was $30 from Tractor Supply. It should be easy. I'll take you along for the journey on replacing the trailer wiring. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask. Pretty short, simple video, a little content for us. So let's get after it. So what I'm doing here is I pulled the battery out for the trailer brakes. We'll be disconnecting it. All my wires are in a little compartment. So I'll be disconnecting this, just little quick female connectors. I'm gonna give myself some slack here, little Phillips screw on the side. Well, after trying several attempts to undo the screw that holds this down, it's pretty well stripped out. Prior to me owning it, I did buy this trailer used. I think I'm getting some mixed information of what I received from the people that I bought it from. So apparently it was only used to move soldiers from one military base to the other. It's a fairly new trailer, but some issues I've learned about, but we'll get it taken care of. So right now what I'm doing is they got some clips on here that I'm trying to undo and go about it the correct way. Let's see if I can get some more room in here to show you. It's gonna be a pain. So white goes to the battery. This red, it looks like this red goes to black. It looks like, or crimped red, I should say. Kind of concerned about everything that's in here. Yeah, it looks like it goes to black. So that's my brake controller, or my emergency brake cable. These are what we were using. We press and clip them in. Do the same for white. Probably be easier just go in here and cut all these wires, but it's alright. I'll just do it this way. Try to make a quick video. I'll probably edit all this. Time frame. White goes to white. White. Let's see what we got. Blue goes to there and to the trailer, so it looks like I only need to undo this one. Looks like it's got 2 splices here. So blue to blue. Why is yellow disconnected already? Let's see, red is on red. And tell you what, it doesn't help that I don't see all the colors here, but you gotta do what you gotta do to use your trailer for the next day. Looks like green is on green. Hope I have enough of these clips. And I'm guessing this is brown. whenever you're doing wiring and changing things, I'd recommend taking a picture of what you have going on. That it's always wise. So, alright, so now that the wiring is all done, I got everything disconnected. I'm just going to pull this out here. Pull it out. And right here's the stripped screw, so let's see how I can get this out without destroying everything. Oh, there it is. That's how you disconnect it. Well, and yeah, I could have just pulled this all back out, replace the plug, replace just the wiring, keep the wiring. And I might do that later and have a spare part. But right now, no. Type of clips. The way these work, you place the wires, the two wires in there, you close it, and you crimp them together. So you don't have to use wire strippers or anything like that. You just use a crimping tool. So let's put this in here, put it all back together. Hope we have some wiring. Okay. If I remember right, which I probably don't. Here's the 3 different types that I have. Blue, yellow, red. You can kind of see the different gauge of the blue. Red, which is smaller, and yellow. I believe the yellow is a 12 gauge. Don't quote me on the rest. Oh, red is 22 gauge. Yellow is up to a 10 gauge, and then blue is in the middle. So, what you do, you put the wire in. Well, I didn't throw that across the place. I'm no electrician, but pretty easy to do. You put the wire in the hole, and then you put the other wire in the hole, which looks like I don't have any meat on this one. Yeah. Put the other wire in the hole. You run this on top. I thought there was a stop on them, but this one doesn't have a stop. You get you a pair of crimps, which looks like I didn't do a good job with that. Let's see if I can get this in here. Push that down and clip it. Now, only 7 more times to go. And that's it. That's how that works. That's exactly how that works. I want to try to keep it neat in this wiring box. But yeah, on to the next one. White went to white. We'll do white last. Alright, so all the wires are put back together. Kind of hard to tell, but they're all in there. And now let's test it out. Let's put the battery back in. Connect up the trailer brake battery. That's just male to female plug. I'm going to go ahead and close it because if it works, sweet. Let's see what happens. I'll use the GoPro to tell me if the... Well, we have hazards. We have taillights. So it seems like we did a good job. This was a pretty simple video of how to do a trailer wiring on the plug. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll do what I can to respond. And if you can, give me a big thumbs up. I do appreciate it. And once again, my name is Bryce. I'm with Bazinga Lawn Care. Thank you.